Hello everyone, this is my review of this men's 3-pack Hipster Crewneck t-shirt. These t-shirts are short sleeve and they're made of a combination of polyester, cotton, and elastane. In this pack I had got the green, the gray, and the black, but there's other combinations you can get of different colors. As long as you get the right size, it's a pretty comfortable fit. It's not too tight. It breathes really well. It's airy. The shirt has a kind of a curved, wavy bottom. It's not like completely straight around the bottom like other shirts, but it's just the style that it has. So these shirts are pretty good, and I'll probably get some more, and I hope this review helps.